STERIS Life Science has added another milestone to our long history of advancing the science of contamination control. We are pleased to offer an innovative, easy-to-use product for your cleanroom environment. SporeClean's ready-to-use disinfectant wipes are comprised of an advanced system that combines knitted polyester wipes and an internal pouch of SporeClean's RTU formula. This unique packaging system delivers the same SporeClean's RTU formula already used for mopping or spraying, and creates saturated wipes with the least amount of operator effort. The internal pouch allows for maximum chemical stability while offering a simple, convenient, and consistent method to saturate the wipes. By simply rolling the package of wipes, the internal pouch of liquid opens and quickly saturates the wipes. Using the same SporeClean's RTU chemistry simplifies disinfectant efficacy testing and validation. These wipes are designed for ISO 5 cleanrooms with limited particle generation and were created to be easily introduced into your cleanrooms. We also offer hydrogen peroxide and sodium hypochlorite wipes in the same advanced packaging system. As with all STERIS products, these wipes are manufactured in accordance with GMP with complete lot traceability. SporeClean's RTU disinfectant wipes are an ideal solution in any location where spraying or mopping is not practical. These products have an extensive documentation package to meet your validation objectives and are supported by the STERIS Technical Service Team for individual application and validation assistance. STERIS Life Sciences, advancing the science of contamination control.